How to delete an Uber Eats account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can delete an Uber Eats account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to delete an Uber Eats account, it is actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is Uber Eats is, since your Uber account, both of them are connected, deleting your Uber Eats account will delete your Uber account as a whole, whether it is a driver account or whether it is a customer account. Now in order to do this, you can try opening the Uber Eats application, then tap the account icon from the bottom right of the screen here. Once you're here, you can simply go to this option over here known as privacy and make sure to tap on it. And once you tap the privacy tab over here, you're going to be able to see this type of interface where what you need to do is under account security, you'll find the option known as account deletion. So make sure to tap the account deletion tab that you can find. Now first of all, you need to actually enter your phone number and just log into your account, which could also be your email address by the way. And once then tap the next option. After you've done that, you will be able to actually enter a code that will be sent to your device, and once you basically enter the code, you will be able to successfully go ahead and then delete your Uber account. So let me also go ahead and then enter the code here, and then after that I'll be able to simply confirm it, and it will also send the code to my Gmail. Once I do that, I will be able to delete my Uber Eats account. This way I'll be able to delete my Uber Eats account. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.